StarLens AI is a game-changing AI software that just hit the market, and today I'm going to review the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a digital marketer or just someone looking to streamline your workflow with the latest AI tools, you'll want to stay till the end of this video to learn how StarLens could make a massive difference for you. Let's dive right into it. Right off the bat, one of the standout features of StarLens AI is its ability to handle complex visual data with ease. It uses cutting-edge computer vision technology to analyze and generate images, which is perfect for anyone working with visuals, whether it's marketing, design, or media creation. Unlike other AI tools, StarLens is optimized to reduce errors and save you time on tasks like image categorization, content generation, and even facial recognition. Now, if you're wondering how it stacks up against other AI software out there, let's talk about ease of use. StarLens AI comes with an incredibly user-friendly interface, even for those who are new to AI tools. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate the platform, which is a huge plus for beginners. The tool is designed to be intuitive, with a minimal learning curve, making it perfect for both experienced marketers and newcomers alike. Another thing I absolutely have to mention is its versatility. StarLens AI isn't just limited to one use case. Whether you're involved in social media marketing, creating content for e-commerce, or handling large visual datasets, StarLens has a variety of tools to fit your needs. Its ability to quickly adapt to different industries makes it a top contender in the crowded AI software market. Now let's talk about customization. One of the most frustrating things with some AI software is how rigid the features can be. That's not the case with StarLens AI. The software offers a range of customization options that allow you to fine-tune its functions according to your specific needs. Whether you're tailoring the algorithms for your own datasets or adjusting how the AI interacts with certain types of images, StarLens makes sure you're in control. When it comes to integration, StarLens AI also shines. It supports integrations with other popular platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and a ton of other marketing tools, making it incredibly easy to incorporate into your existing workflow. This is crucial if you're looking for something that can work seamlessly with the tools you already use. One feature that stood out to me while testing StarLens AI was its speed. With its advanced algorithms, the software can process high-resolution images or videos in seconds. If you're dealing with large-scale projects, this means you'll be able to save hours that would otherwise be spent manually handling visual content. It's fast, efficient, and it doesn't sacrifice quality, which is exactly what you want in any AI tool. Lastly, what really sets StarLens AI apart is its free trial. Yes, you can try this revolutionary software for free by clicking the first link below. This means you get the chance to test out all these incredible features, risk-free before committing to anything. So to sum up, StarLens AI is a powerful tool with advanced visual recognition capabilities, an easy-to-use interface, versatile features, and seamless integrations with your existing tools. It's fast, customizable, and designed to save you time while enhancing your workflow. If you're looking to take your digital marketing, design, or content creation to the next level, I highly recommend giving StarLens a try. You can check out the link in the description to test it out for free. And before you go, if you're interested in other powerful AI tools, make sure to check out my recommended software list below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down the best ones, and you can try them for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.